to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so you, baby, baby, baby.
Hey y'all, so today I'm back with another video, but today I am doing a braided wig. As y'all can see, it's like um tribal braids. As y'all can see, it got, well, when I put it on, y'all see the little, but it got it going this way, then it has, the two sides leaning to, the sides as well. It does come with edges here. As y'all can see, this is the inside of the cap. As y'all can see, the lace does go back pretty far. um They do have two combs on the sides here. Sorry, y'all. They do have two combs on the sides here, and then they do have a comb in the back. And then for the wig cap, is like the little netting material. And I do want to show y'all like in the back. Be careful because doesn't have a lot of braids in the back, and that is due to the company, wanting to make sure it's not bulky looking at the back. Just mostly, in the front, everything can be laid and stuff like that. And then they do have this, adjustable strap here. And then they also have, you know, another adjustable strap here. But I don't need to put that on because the wig is pretty snug itself. So I did go ahead on and put my Ruby Kisses cream foundation on. In the color level 15. Of course, I'm gonna have everything in the description box below. Also, I'm gonna have the wig in the description box below as well. And y'all, this wig is off of Amazon, okay? This wig is from Sangtok hair. And this is what all came in the wig. It came, with a wig cap, but that's too dark for me. It came with a melting band, and then also came with a edge brush, and then also an eyebrow razor. To cut your lace and stuff. It comes in very handy because, scissors and stuff. I do prefer to use the eyebrow razor as well when cutting lace. But it all just depends. And then they do have, their little how to maintain your braided wig card, and then they, have the little card here, as y'all can see. And again, it is Sangtok hair on Amazon, okay? So let's put the wig on our head. Okay, y'all, so this is what the wig looks like when it's on. As y'all can see, it's cute. I will say how I have it like right now. I could kind of feel the wig cap in the back showing a little bit. So I don't know about, putting it all to the front like this, maybe just wearing it back like this and then having maybe, one side up. Just, making y'all aware. But this is the wig, y'all. Then I'm going to show y'all like how long it comes down on me. So I don't want to knock down the camera. So it does come down to my hip here. And y'all, this is the outfit. And y'all, this is the outfit from my Sheen haul, y'all. Gotta wear my outfits. It's, something about to be over, y'all. And as y'all can see, it does come with the edges here. So I'm gonna start by, cutting me some lace back really quick because it is like all in my eyes. Okay, so I got that cut. So what I'm gonna do now is just cut the ear tabs, y'all. Okay, y'all, so the ear tabs is, cut off, but it's kind of tricky because they don't have like no edges on the sides here. So I just kind of, I'm just gonna put the braids like, it's falling over my ear here and keep it at that. But I am gonna go in with a layer of my Fantasia Mega Holds. I am gonna go in with a layer of my Fantasia Liquid Mousse Mega Hold Spritz Hairspray, and then I'm just gonna lay down the lace here, and then we're gonna get to styling the edges and stuff like that. So let's see. So I'm gonna start with the middle part here by laying that down, and then move on to the sides here. And then I am gonna blow dry it on a cool setting as well, y'all. Okay, y'all. So with the wig, with the sides, I just took out like some of my sideburns and I kind of, tried to lay it down the best way I can. Um, but y'all, so you know, we combed out the hairs here, and then what I'm about to do is I have my flat iron warming up for my edges, and then we're just gonna go in, curl them, kind of get everything laid down, get all the edges laid down. Okay, y'all. So I didn't forget to mention that they did have a bag of charms in here. This is them. So I went ahead on and put some in my hair, put it in the front, y'all. And as y'all can see, this is the final look of the wig, y'all. As y'all can see, it was quick. It was easy, you know, but for the edges on the sides of the hair, I was gonna have to tighten that up a little bit more, probably. But for the edges of the hair, y'all, on the sides, it is, you know, gonna need some work and things like that. And I try to, you know, manipulate it, get it best as I can, you know, to blend in and stuff like that. But overall, I think this wig looks really cute. I mean, y'all look at the braids, the stitching of the braids. I can't wear it like that. So, like, come on now, because I can't wear it. I cannot wear it like that at all. But this right here, y'all, this is beautiful, 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 and I really do love it. But you know, if y'all made it this far to the end of the video, thank y'all so much for watching. Also thank you know Sangtok Hair Company for sending me over this wig to you know share with you guys, to review for you guys, and also you know give you some good wigs, good affordable wigs at that. Okay. But thank y'all so much. I really do appreciate all of y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you know not subscribed to my channel. And make sure you like the video as well. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell as well, so you don't miss when I post another video. Because I do post every single week. Every single week, you know, might as well join the family. And also, y'all, make sure y'all follow my Instagram and TikTok. It is going to be at the end of the video, also in the description box down below. So make sure y'all go follow there, you know, for any updates and stuff. And I do post, you know, my pictures and my wigs and stuff. You know, y'all gotta go follow, okay? But yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching the video. See y'all in my next video.